Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to English class. So, dear students, how was your paper? It was easy. Good. Hope you all have done your exam very well. Dear students, so by this we are finished with FA1 exam. So 2 chapters. So in unit you have 2 chapters and 1 poem in each unit. Nearly you have 3 units, right? So in that we have completed, in unit 1 we have completed now 2 chapters. So left over is 1 poem. Got it? Yes, dear students, today we are going to see a poem. Before that, see, we will wish something like, we wish I would have been a IAS officer, KS officers, alva? And we wish like I should have been a president of India, right? There are some wishes that we cannot go through that, all the things, but we expect such things, like in our mind that comes off, that I have to be like this. Oh God, if I would have been this, what, like big officers, how nice it would be. I would have gone in car, big house, bungalow will be there, go to government services. See, who all are government workers will have house, and to go they will be having a car. You can see officers will be having much, all the facilities will be provided by the government because they serve to our country. So these all facilities will be there. There is a poem, okay. There is a boy, even he also wishes the same thing. If I would have been a great king, he will be telling that if I would have been like that, my house would be like this, okay, and my costumes, my throne, everything will be changed, will be in a good position, right? So let us see what all he wishes. Okay, he wishes that he would have been a great king. Okay, let us see what all the things he will tell us. So dear students, as you all know that before moving into the poem, let us look into few words and its meanings. Dear students, so name of our poem is If I Were Lord of Tartary. So if I were a Lord of Tartary. So tell me, who has written this? This is written by a poet called Walter de la Mare. Walter de la Mare. Name of the poet is Walter de la Mare. Dear students, so there is a poem, If I Were Lord of Tartary. Okay, so the first word is flaunt. Show off ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that is show off. Haunt ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, live. To live we call to stay, live, same thing. Attract, against means ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ. Glen, narrow valley. What is the meaning of glen? Narrow valley. Okay. So there are few more words I'll just tell you. Slant means tilt. tilt. Okay. Robe, long, loose outer garment. Vein means fade. Scimitar means sword. Car, here is carriage. Okay, next thicket is bushy area. Dale is valley. Citron, a large fragrant citrus fruit like a lemon. Okay. Next you have is glade, open space in a wood or forest. It is a fruit citron and this is glades. Okay. As I will be telling you that you all have to read the word splash. It's very important to know words. Okay. If you understand the words, when I teach you, when I read out the poem, you can understand it very easily. Now moving on to the poem. If I were Lord of Tartary. Dear students, you have a homework to do. Can you see this puzzle? Yes. See, illi the words is given here. You all have to do is, you have to find out these words. You have to find out these words. Write on the same box in your homework book. What you all have to do? You have to prepare a same timetable like this. Table like this. Okay. You have to prepare same table. Write down these answers. You have to find out. You have to mark with a pencil. Okay. And you have to submit it to the school. This is your homework. Coming to the point, that is moving on to the poem. I'll just read out the poem once and then explain you all. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers hunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. If I were Lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day, to every meal should summon me, and in my court yard bray, and in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. If I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they would be, and small and thick as seeds, and ears should wane the morning star. I would don my robe and scimitar, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Lord of fruits of Tartary, her rivers silver pale. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood and dale. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lakes like foamless seas, her bird lighting citron trees, in every purple veil. Walter de la Mare. So this is the poem. Okay. See how all the wishes he had said now. There are many wishes. He thinks that there should be something. Okay. He should wear so many dresses and everything. Okay. So let us now see. If I were Lord of Tartary, if I were, have you all here heard the stories of this? There will be a land, okay. There will be king. ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಊರಿಗೆ ರಾಜ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. He is very rich. He looks after the whole village. That all the thing will be there, right? ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. What all the things will be there in this kingdom. How he will be there. Everything we can see. So here is also a boy. Writer is wishing, if I were Lord of Tartary, if I were a king, myself and me alone, I should be myself and me alone. Okay, my bed should be of ivory. Follow? My bed should be of ivory. Okay, full royal. You might have heard the stories of big kings. Many golds will be there. Even their plates, drinking glass, everything will be made up of silver, gold. That's right. So here, even writer is also wishing that if I were a Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, myself, nanobne, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne. Bed should be full of ivory, rich. And throne, kirita, should be of gold, it seems. See how he wishes. It should be of gold. Okay. And in my court should peacocks flaunt. Flaunt means, I said, show off. Means in my court, means in my palace, peacocks should be there. Okay, that has to move around here and there in my garden, in my palace, and they have to show off. Like you all have heard that peacock is a national bird, and it dances very beautifully, right? Its feathers are very, 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 very great looking. Okay, we all collect feathers. If we get peacock's feathers, what we do? We will collect it, because we cannot find like that feathers which with all beautiful colors will be there, right? Even here the writer is expecting that in his kingdom, in his court, peacock should be there. Okay, and in my forest, tigers hunt. What it is? In his forest, tigers should live, it seems. Okay, if a king will be totally different from other people, because he is king, Raja, and he will be having much wealth, so that he can buy one village, right? So that much wealth will be there to him. So what will happen? Here he wishes that in his own forest, tigers should all be there, it seems. Okay, and in my pools, great fishes land. Here in great Like, see, pools, swimming pools. What should be there in swimming pools? Fish. Like, there will be separate aquarium kept in the houses, right? So in palaces and all, there will be big pools to the fishes. There, all types of fishes should be there. It should move from one place to another, tilting. Okay. Their fins throughout the sun. So what it is? Here, their fins, that should be against to the sun. So it has to jump like this, play like this. Okay. So when sun rises, right? There, the fish has to jump like this. It has to cover by its fin. Okay. So what it has to do? It has to cover by its fin like this. Okay. So what you all have seen now? King should be the lord of Tartary, right? So his bedroom must be of ivory. Bed should be of ivory. And throne should be of beaten gold. Gold should be there, and every stones, diamond stones, so that this stone should be there in that. Okay, one thing. And second, what should be there? In his own court, kingdom, peacock should be there. And in forest, tigers should live. And in pools, what should be there? Big fishes, different types of fishes should be there. Okay. So he wishes. Who wishes? Writer. Who is the writer here? Walter de la Mare. If I were Lord of Tartary, who is the poet of this poem? They might ask you. You have to tell that the answer is Walter de la Mare is the poet of the poem. If I were Lord of Tartary. Got it? Yes. Okay. And dear students, see, I'll just show you images and then tell you. See, you can all see this. Right? You can see this, right? So, here, all the desires, see, all the wishes, what is thinking is shown here. Got it? So, in the next class, we are going to discuss 3 more paras. Got it? So, before that, what do you all have to do? What do you have to do? You have to do is homework. What? Homework what? Don't forget to write the homework. See dear students, I want you all to submit this. Okay? And see, in the last classes also I have given you the homework. You all have done it. Have you all shown it to the school? So, there is no excuses this time. You have to find out all these words which is given here in this table. Draw the table, write same the table and find out this. Mark with a pencil, not with a pen. Okay, so nearly how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words are there. So 9 words are there. So you have to take pencil and neatly mark like this. Got it? Yes. Dear students, I want you all to read word splash as well as read the whole poem once. Got it? Yes. Dear students, we have to complete our portions. We are so lacking behind the portions, right? So I want you all to read fast, do the homework given fast, and then we will be finishing our chapters, lessons, poems fast, and we will be having time to revise the whole chapters and poems. Did you understand? Very good. Well then, dear students, we'll meet in the next class. Until that, take care and bye.